wants somebody, he wants this other person to give him information. I am. You know, I'm going to say this. He doesn't get the message. You know, I didn't want to do that because I really don't have time, you know. And my attorney is $350 per hour. I really don't have time. But he don't get the message. He don't went live again. He's got my mother's picture, so he keep poking the bear. He keep poking the bear. So I am. I'm going to take several actions. I am, but I just hate it. It's exhausting. It's negative, you know? I'd rather spend my time out to lunch with somebody and enjoying ourselves, you know? But this person, you know, attention-seeking individuals, they don't care what type of attention they get, you know? As long as it's attention, it can be negative or positive. But I want you guys to see right here where he says, oh, and then he's got a disgusting picture. I really wish I knew what this was because he sent this person a disgusting picture. Disgusting. You see? That's what he said. He said, well, when I put 10 bands on a bitch head, don't say nothing. So this is a public announcement. He's putting a hit on me. Oh. 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 He's putting a hit on me. Lord have mercy. You know what, you guys? I'm going to go ahead and go because this is just too much. I am mentally exhausted. Smooth, please don't laugh, girl.